Hello everyone, welcome back. I have made one project on RPA that is sending occasionally email to many person. Actually, one day I noticed my college always sent me an occasional email on every occasion. So I thought more than 1,000 people enroll in my college and they have to send email to 1,000 people. This is a difficult task. Apart from my college, there are many university and company that will send occasionally mail to every persons that are enrolled to it. So sending mail to different people takes more time and effort. So I got an idea to implement a bot that send occasionally mail in just 1 or 2 minutes. That's why I have built this bot. In this bot, I have taken one Excel sheet and one notepad as an input. In Excel sheet, I have written name and email. First column, name will be written, and second column, email will be written. In this bot, I will be send an occasional email to 10%. And in Notepad, this is a Notepad. In Notepad, message are written. This message will be sent to the every persons. Only name will be changed. If I will send the mail to Ankit Kumar, then here name will be changed by Ankit Kumar and occasion name will be changed. Which occasion I want to send this mail. Now move to the logic behind that bot. I built this bot using Automation Anywhere. In Automation Anywhere, there is action icon. In action icon, we can perform any action. Like for example, if I want to perform any operation using a Excel file, then only I have to search Excel. After searching Excel, there are many operations appear in it, so we can perform any operation. Like for example, I want to open an Excel file. So only I have to double click on open. Open option will be appear. Then upload the Excel file using a control room file or desktop file. If I want to select desktop file, then browse. Browse. In this way, I can choose a file and perform an operation. I have already opened, so I am deleting this Excel sheet. Now see the all logics that I have taken. First, I have opened a one textbook file. In textbook file, session name default and desktop file, and then browse and choose the path. After that, first I have opened a notepad. Then I read the notepad and assign the value to the variable. If you will assign the value to the variable, then you have to create a variable using this. Because I am already created, so here read message is just showing. And after that, first in this operation, first I have opened this notepad. Then after that, I have read all data in notepad and convert it in table form. Then after that I have replaced occasion name with festival name. And one another thing, I am taking one input variable, a festival name, using a this variable, using a create variable. So I can input any festival name and perform operation according to that. So in this program, first I have open a notepad, then read the file, and then replace the occasion name with the input variable festival's name. After that, I have to send an email. So first I have opened an Excel sheet. I already told how this operation will be performed. uh, I have to send a mail through email, so I have to connect the email. Host name will be smtp.gmail.com and port name will be 587. And then after that credentials, and after that password, and I am choosing a POP3 option because I am sending a mail. If I want to receive a mail, or if I want to read the mail, then I have to use a IMAP option. So that's why POP3 option are included. After this logic, I will tell you how to create a credentials and locker system that are taken in these options. Now go to selection is used. Go to selection is used to the put the pointer to any position. Here I have set the pointer to A2 cell, A2 cell of this Excel, because A2 cell in A2 cell name of the person is given, and then I am using a loop for every iterations for each row in worksheet, and then get single cell, turn the value of this active cells, and after that I have replaced the name with the cell value, and then I have replaced the name with Ankit Kumar. Then after that, pointer set to the right positions, and right position Gmail will be given. Send option will be given to address. I have taken email as a to address. If you want to send any specific person, then you have to put only his email address. Then after that subject, for example, if I want to send an email to any festival, then subject will be happy, and then festival's name. I have no used any attachment. If you want to attach any attachment or PDF, then you want to simply upload here. After that, plain text and then message. I have taken a message in message output variable, so simply I have take a insert value and then message output, and then send email via email address from address. You want to send an email through which mails, and then email server host smtp.gmail.com and email server port 587. Use secured connection true, and my server require authentication true. Username, in same way you can pick your credentials, and then after that go to cell. If I have sent a mail to one person, then I have to move to the second person. So pointer will be move to the beginning of the row, and then go to one cell below. For example, if my pointer is lie between B2, then first my pointer will go A2 and then A3. After that, a message box will be appear, mail has been sent successfully. And then if all mail will send successfully, then disconnect the email session. And so this is my simple bot. Now, now I want to tell you how I have created a credentials and locker systems. First, go to the credentials, because without credential we cannot send any email or to any persons. I have created one credential, so that's why it is showing. For credential, first click it create credential, and after, suppose I am creating a credential that's name is demo. Then after that, attribute name, username, username, and then a standard, and then take the value. Username like your Gmail. And after that, click a plus options, and then attribute name, password. This credential and locker room secure your email and password. Its behavior is same as a locker. And password, click standards, and then password, you can mask this password and then put your original passwords. The main thing is that if you do not put your original password of Gmail, then your then no operation will be performed to your email address. Then you cannot able to send an email to any persons. If you want to try, then it show your credential is wrong. Then create credential. After that, go to the my locker, and then create a locker. Uh, then I have to create a locker. So for example, choose a locker name, demo, and then available credential. I have made a two credential, one name and two demo. So I have clicked the demo. Click this options, and then next, next, select this option, and then click this button. And now create a locker. So this is a simple process to create a credential and locker. For example, if I want to check my credential is created or not. So first, when I choose a pick options, here two lockers are showing. So this is a simple process to create a credential and locker. With the help of this, you can perform any operation using a mail. Now I am running this program, and I want to show you. I want to show you the output of my programs. If I want to send an occasional email for a Chhat Puja to different persons, so I have to choose a Chhat Puja. For that, Chhat Puja, and then confirm. Here program is running. See, the line 1 is executing, and after that line 6 go to cell, line 13 and 14. This dialog box is showing the action that action that my bot is performing. Here my bot is sending a mail to different person. So see, it performs send mail, then go to cell, then send mail. This operation execute till 10 times because I have chosen a 10% to send a mail. Then now, there is one message box mail has been sent successfully. That means I have sent a mail to all of the persons. So now my bot will be successfully run. Your bot has run successfully. Now check. Now I am checking my mail. My bot will successfully send a mail to these persons. Here one message will send to a Lavkus. Dear Lavkus, wishing you and your family to a happy Chhat Puja in advance. Regard. This name. So this is a simple process to send occasionally mail to different persons. Thank you.